Hello again. We are here at GeoTHERM in Offenburg, Germany, and I am standing here with Daniel Jaskulski from Herrenknecht. Daniel, can you please tell us a little bit about yourself and also Herrenknecht?
Okay. My name is Daniel Jaskulski. I'm division manager for the Department of New Applications. With this new applications, our goal is to set up new products for the company Herrenknecht. We are very famous for drilling machines, but not so famous for seismic trucks, but I think this will change soon, yeah.
Okay then, so let's talk about this big thing behind us. What do you call it and what is it for?
So we call it the UrbanVibroTruck because it's especially made for the geothermal energy. And vibro-truck, I should explain maybe what is the vibro-truck for the very first moment. For your planning of your drilling hole, you need to make a seismic because you need an image of the ground conditions you have over there. And then to say it very easy, you hit on the ground with a force, you send in a voice signal into the geology, and at the different layers of the geology, you will get a reflection, and in the end, you can build up an image from your ground conditions you have over there, and can make your decisions where to drill and how to drill, and such things to be successful at the end with your hole, and you will have a good quality or a high temperature of water and a high flow. So, and in the past, there existing some trucks, but they are built up for the desert. And now we build up one, which is suitable to towns and to urban areas.
Okay, so what makes it suitable to urban areas? What is the design that went into it?
So the formal design, they had huge wheels, they are very wide, and they have also no improvement for roads or something like this. So it's very hard to run them in towns because they only want to go straight ahead in the desert and searching for oil, and they try to stay away as far from the houses. They have no noise protection and exactly nothing like this. We at our truck, we focused on the noise protection, that you also can do measurements in towns by night, because it's not so loud, the vehicle anymore. We take care that we have the right weight on all axles, that we could pass all bridges and all roads without damaging them. And we do a lot of other things. We build up a very modern vehicle. You have all safety functions. You have an automatic braking system if some persons pass the truck. Because if you go on a seismic, a lot of people are very curious and take a look, and some accidents could happen. Then we have an automatic braking system, and such things you need nowadays if you go close to the town. And in the formal times, when you're searching for oil and gas, it was not interesting for the people over there. And so that's a huge difference. Yeah.
Okay, seismic surveys in Europe are not new.
Yeah.
So there are already several providers of the service. So what have been the challenges of these service providers from your conversations with them?
Yeah. So if you have a vehicle where you have not the right axle load, then you need a VMAX, for example, in Germany. So it's a special rule that allows you to drive a road to a time. If you have a delay or something like this, you are not anymore allowed to drive the road. So you have to stop and ask for a new permission, for example. This is a huge problem. And also, if you go in the town and you're running the truck with 120 dB or something like this, everyone will be shocked and say, oh, what happened over here? Yeah. And if you have such a vehicle which more look like that they want to pick up the garbage, then damage your house. So this is very helpful, I think. So for the geothermal energy, for acceptance at the people which are living over there, and also for the acceptance from the federals. Yeah.
Okay then, so what is the business model for the UrbanVibroTruck? Are there any specific markets, countries that you'd like to deploy it in?
Yeah, the market for us is the geothermal energy, because they want to go close to the houses where people are living with the trucks, with their drilling holes to provide the heat to them, and then they need to make the seismic over there. And so for us, it's a geothermal market. For oil and gas, it's not so interesting because they don't search in oil and gas close to cities. But also, this company are very interested in our truck because our shaker performance is better than the one from our competitors. And this is for them also very important, that they get a very clean signal from the geology, and as better the signal they get, as better is the imaging at the end.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's not just the practical considerations of doing a seismic survey, but also data quality, right?
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Okay then. How do you think will the market for seismic surveys be for geothermal in the coming years?
So geothermal energy for sure will grow up very fast in the next years, and before they can set up a geothermal project, they need to make a seismic for this. So there are upcoming a lot of seismic and surveys in the near future, and it already happens. We have Giga M in Munich, a huge seismic. We have Berlin, which will coming up next year. Yeah. And there's a lot in the pipeline also. And yeah, we are very glad that geothermal energy now stepping forward, and they're stepping very fast. Yeah.
As you mentioned, Herrenknecht is a company that deals with several services for the geothermal industry. So what are these other services, and how does your UrbanVibroTruck synergize with these services?
Yeah, we since 2005 we're building up drilling rigs. They are also special for the urban conditions because they have had the same problems in the past with the drilling rigs, like we had with the truck. They are built for oil and gas. They are built for the desert. They have no noise protection, exactly nothing. And we also built up an urban drilling rig, which you can place close to towns and cities, and drilling over there. Yeah. And so the urban truck is the logical answer to the drilling rig, because before you start drilling, first you need to make a seismic survey and find out where to drill. And yeah.
Okay then, so we're looking forward to seeing more of the VibroTruck in the streets of, say, in Europe and Germany. And thank you.
We're glad, yeah.